Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to clean cache on Windows 10, and we'll go through all the steps to remove temporary files and free up space on your computer. Step 1. Click on the search button at the bottom of your computer and type Run, then open it. This tool lets you quickly access system folders and commands that aren't always easy to find. Step 2. Type Temp and click OK. This folder contains temporary files that your computer no longer needs, and clearing them helps improve performance. Step 3. In the folder that opens, press Ctrl+A to select all files. This ensures that every temporary file in the folder will be included for deletion. Step 4. Press Delete on your keyboard or right-click and select Delete. This removes the files and helps free up space immediately. Step 5. If prompted for administrator permissions, click Continue, and if any files cannot be deleted, click Skip. Some files may still be in use, and skipping them is completely safe. Step 6. Open Run again. Type %temp% and click OK. This opens another folder of temporary files stored under your user account, which also needs to be cleared. Step 7. Select all files with Ctrl+A and delete them. Just like before, this clears unnecessary files and helps your system run more efficiently. Step 8. Again, click Skip for any files that cannot be deleted. Don't worry if a few files remain, they won't affect your system performance. For the second method, Step 1, press Windows key +R to open Run again. This method uses the disk cleanup tool, which is built into Windows. Step 2, type clean mgr and click OK. Disk cleanup scans your system for files that can be safely removed, including cache and temporary files. Step 3. Choose the drive where Windows is installed, usually C, with a Windows icon and click OK. This ensures that you are cleaning the main system drive. Step 4. Select the files you want to delete from the list. You can choose items like temporary files, recycle bin contents, and system cache to free up space. Step 5. Click OK, then confirm by clicking Delete Files. Disk cleanup will then remove these files safely and efficiently. For the final step, Step 1. Open your recycle bin. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored before permanent removal. Step 2. Click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove deleted files and complete the cache cleaning process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.